Hi guys, welcome to topic 6.6, Manage Stakeholder Engagement. What is Manage Stakeholder Engagement? It is the process of communicating and working with stakeholders to meet their needs and expectations, address their issues as they occur, and build appropriate stakeholder engagement in project activities throughout the life cycle of the project. Activities involved in managing the stakeholder engagements process are ensure commitment of stakeholder at all stages of the project. Also ensure stakeholder expectations are met. We should be able to anticipate future problems and address potential concerns throughout the life cycle of the project. It's important to note that the stakeholders' influence are the highest at the start of the project, and as the project progresses, the influence continues to reduce. The project sponsor assistance is to be taken by the project manager whenever required. It's very helpful for the overall project development. The key benefits of managing stakeholders' engagement process involves seeking extended support from stakeholders for the project success. To manage stakeholder engagement, there are certain inputs. It includes stakeholder management plan, communication management plan, change log, and organizational process assets. The communication management plan includes a documentation of stakeholder needs for communication requirements. Every stakeholder needs information for a specific purpose, and thus the format, level of detail, content, and language might need alteration from stakeholder to stakeholder. So guys, it's very important to keep managing stakeholder engagement throughout the life cycle of the project. This brings you to the end of topic 6.6 and end of your module 6. Thank you.